marking KCPE so that we can be able to release these results in good time to allow us to place our children in schools so that as they go into Christmas, as they do then all the celebrations that they are there, they are aware that they have responsibilities to take care of in January, because they will have known the schools their kids have been placed, what the fees expectations are, and all that. But I want to say and really thank our teachers. We have already thanked our primary school heads when they were in their meeting in Mombasa, because they did a fantastic job. That I would want to say. Our colleagues and in government, the Ministry of ICT and Ministry of Interior, they have done a wonderful job. Mainly our colleagues who manage the technology part of life, the Ministry of ICT, they have really done a good job. They have been able this time to neutralize the social media. If I call them traffickers, I think I'll be using the right word. This time they have been neutralized. If you are able to go to some of their sites, they are totally frustrated because they cannot get anything. Because our colleagues in the ICT sector, the Communication Authority, our colleagues in cybercrime, our colleagues in ICT, they have done a fantastic job. Our brothers in the investigative and the security sector, they have been able to preempt so many people who try to play games with our exams. In the northern Kenya, Tana River, Marsabit, some parts of Mandera, a few places in Turkana, where we had heavy rains and flooding. With the interagency approach and delivering as one in government, we have adequately facilitated and we had enough choppers in those places.